Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Huzur.
Islam.
My question is, how can we tell if a dream is from Allah or if it is merely a projection of our subconscious mind, like most of the dreams?
See, there is no hard and fast rule with regards to this. If it is from Allah Ta'ala, then you will see that it is being fulfilled. Or Allah Ta'ala will show you some signs that this is from Allah, with which you would know that this is from Allah. But every person sees dreams during the night. If he is or she is taking a sound sleep, at least 4 or 5 dreams. That is what the psychiatrists say. So every dream is not from Allah Ta'ala. There are so many dreams. Even those dreams who are going to be true and they are from Allah Ta'ala, there are some additional things in those dreams which are not the part of the dream, but they are extra things. So if you see, you are satisfied after having seen the dream, then, and there are some signs, and you feel that you are feeling comfortable after seeing this dream, then it is from Allah Ta'ala. And if it supports by some people see the dreams and the verses of the Holy Quran or the Hadith or some other quotes of the pious people of Allah Ta'ala, awliya or anbiya or prophets, then that means they are from Allah Ta'ala. And you feel in your heart that they are from Allah Ta'ala. Yes? Right?
Jazakallah.